Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about what is MES. Let's jump right into it. What is MES? A manufacturing execution system, MES, is a software-based solution that manages, monitors, and synchronizes manufacturing processes in real time. Its main objective is to ensure the efficient execution of manufacturing operations, from the production of raw materials to the final product. MES integrates data from various stages of production and helps optimize resources, reduce waste, and improve overall manufacturing performance. MES standards. A brief overview. MES standards are sets of guidelines and protocols that define how manufacturing systems should communicate, operate, and integrate with one another. These standards ensure uniformity and compatibility between different systems and devices used in production, promoting efficiency, transparency, and scalability. Key global standards for MES include ISA 95, IEC, ISO 62264. ISA 95 is perhaps the most widely adopted MES standard globally. Developed by the International Society of Automation, ISA, and recognized internationally by ISO, International Organization for Standardization, ISA 95 defines the interface between enterprise and control systems. It provides a framework for integrating ERP systems, business management, with MES, shop floor control. Key areas: defines activities that are carried out in each level of manufacturing, facilitates data exchange between MES and ERP, helps manufacturers create a consistent model for managing production, inventory, and other essential processes. ISA 88, IEC 6152. ISA 88 focuses on batch process control, detailing a model for organizing and managing batch manufacturing. This standard promotes the modularization of processes and equipment control, which leads to more flexible manufacturing systems. Key areas: modular approach for equipment and process design, consistent communication between MES and production systems, facilitates recipe management, batch scheduling, and reporting. OPC-UA, Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture. OPC-UA is a machine-to-machine communication protocol designed for industrial automation. It's a platform-independent standard used to facilitate secure and reliable data exchange between machines, control systems, and MES. OPC-UA enhances real-time data collection and ensures that different automation systems can work together smoothly. Key areas: data exchange in real time, ensures secure and scalable communication. Platform agnostic, supporting diverse hardware and software systems. OEE, overall equipment effectiveness. OEE is not a standard in the traditional sense, but is a widely used metric within MES to evaluate the effectiveness of manufacturing processes. By measuring three critical areas, availability, performance, and quality, OEE helps manufacturers understand how efficiently their equipment is operating. Key areas: real-time monitoring of equipment performance, identification of production bottlenecks, continuous improvement through data-driven insights. ISO IEC 27001. Information security management, security in manufacturing systems is paramount, especially with the rise of Industry 4.0 and the Industrial Internet of Things, IoT. ISO IEC 27001 provides a framework for implementing security measures in industrial operations, ensuring that critical manufacturing data remains secure and protected from cyber threats. Key areas: protection of critical data in MES systems, risk management and security protocols, ensures compliance with global cybersecurity standards. Why are MES standards important? Interoperability. MES standards ensure that different systems can communicate effectively, regardless of the manufacturer or platform. This enables companies to integrate various systems and technologies without worrying about compatibility issues, saving time and reducing costs. Consistency. Standards provide a consistent approach to managing production processes. This consistency helps manufacturers maintain quality and ensures that every aspect of production is monitored and controlled effectively. Scalability. With industry standards in place, manufacturers can scale their operations more easily. Whether expanding to new locations or integrating additional equipment, standards help ensure a smooth transition. Compliance. Following recognized MES standards ensures that manufacturing operations comply with industry regulations and best practices, reducing the risk of fines, delays, or quality control issues. Improved data flow. Standards such as ISA 95 and OPC UA facilitate seamless data exchange between the shop floor and enterprise systems. This improves decision-making and enhances operational visibility across the entire production chain. Conclusion. MES standards are the backbone of modern manufacturing processes. They enable interoperability, promote consistency, and ensure that systems across the manufacturing landscape can communicate and function harmoniously. By adhering to these standards, manufacturers not only enhance their operational efficiency, but also ensure that they are equipped to meet the challenges of an increasingly connected and competitive industrial environment. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.